Netsys-America LLC introduces new Ethernet extenders and bridge modem to boost high-speed connectivity for home and business. Netsys-America launches low-cost long-reach Ethernet over Coax UTP extender NL-230FKIT and VDSL2 bridge modems NV-202G and NV-520G. These expand connectivity with higher bandwidth and easy installation. Millersville, Maryland, Netsys-America, LLC, DB and Netsys Direct is pleased to introduce 3 new networking products. They're designed to boost connectivity for homes, businesses, and industrial sites. The latest additions include low-cost long-reach Ethernet over Coax UTP extender kit, NL-230FKIT. 2 next-generation GigaPort VDSL2 Ethernet bridge modems, NV-202G and NV-520G. These new products offer flexible and powerful solutions for extending Ethernet connections over long distances. The goal is to ensure reliable, high-quality performance with simple, cost-effective installations. So how can these new products help you? The NL-230FKIT provides an affordable way to extend Ethernet connections well beyond the usual 328-foot limit. With speeds of up to 100 megabits per second symmetrical up to 1,640 feet over Cat5 and above, cables with long reach capability of up to 2,642 feet to 800 meters at 10 megabits per second, it's ideal for UTP and coaxial network setups. The built-in SFP port can be used with any standard fiber SFP transceiver, making the NL-230FKIT an outstanding low-cost solution for a variety of fiber, FTTDP, FTTC, FTTB network applications. No matter the task at hand, whether it's running network devices or streaming crisp video content, you'll love this flexibility. Skip the hassle of configuration. This kit is ready to roll the moment you plug it in. The new GigaPort VDSL2 Ethernet bridge modem NV-202G features 10, 100, 1000 Mbps Ethernet ports to support gigabit Ethernet and symmetrical line speeds up to 160 megabits per second, 320 megabits per second aggregate bandwidth. It can also extend connections as far as 10,000 feet. The backward compatibility with other Netsys Direct devices adds versatility, while the easy dip switch settings allow users to toggle between CO and CPE modes. This modem saves the day in spots where cabling is scarce, like college quads or hotel corridors. With this model, Netsys Direct ensures a reliable, efficient internet experience. The GigaPort industrial-grade VDSL2 Ethernet bridge modem NV-520G is built to perform in demanding environments. It brings industrial-grade durability and strong performance, featuring 10, 100, 1000 Mbps Ethernet ports that support gigabit Ethernet. This modem provides bandwidth of up to 160 megabits per second symmetrical, 320 megabits per second aggregate bandwidth, and long-range capability for distances up to 10,000 feet as well. It's also designed with surge protection, power redundancy, and IP30 compliance. For places that can't afford downtime, like transit systems, parking areas, and correctional facilities, this modems for adaptable gigabit Ethernet ports provide the unwavering connection they need. With its wide temperature range, built-in reverse polarity protection, and sturdy DIN rail mounting, this rugged device can withstand the toughest environments. Looking forward, Netsys Direct plans to release a G.HN product line in January 2025. Keep an eye out for these exciting new products. With its revamped product lineup, Netsys Direct makes a bid to bring industrial-grade networking capabilities within reach of the average user, all while keeping costs low. About Netsys Direct, step into the world of Netsys Direct, where innovation meets reliability. In 1999, Netsys Direct took its first step in reinventing networking solutions for a wide range of customers. When it comes to closing connectivity gaps, Netsys Direct's impressive range of products kicks into high gear. Backed by a sturdy guarantee to test all products, their ISO 9001 seal shows they're serious about delivering high-quality goods that last. At Netsys Direct, happy customers are the result of seamless connectivity. They will work hand-in-hand with you to develop reliable and efficient solutions. Solidly built and high-performance, Netsys products adapt to diverse settings, from cozy home offices to demanding industrial sites. By offering dependable, high-performance options. Netsys Direct ensures connection stays strong, supporting businesses and individuals in every network scenario. Contact information. Name, Netsys-America, LLC. Phone number, 1-877-638-7971. Email, info@netsys-america.com. Website, www.netsys-direct.com. Address, 8338 Veterans Highway, Suite 205A, Millersville, Maryland, 21108 USA. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/people/netsys-america-llc/10000812128363 for 8. Twitter, https://twitter.com/Netsys Direct.